an affordable Steadicam stabilizer with a vest that will help you smooth out your shots, it is possible. And this is what we're going to talk about in this video. I don't always film with a gimbal, and I use a Steadicam with a vest only on occasions, only when the shot calls for it, or when I know I will have to carry a few kilograms around for long periods of time. I was tired of having sore arms after a long day filming, so this was potentially a solution for me. I trust PROAIM for a few things now. My dolly system and my Apple boxes are from them, and as of today, I've been more than satisfied with their products. So when I had to consider owning a system like this, they were obviously my first choice. I needed a compact and lightweight and sturdy system, something that I can carry around rather easily on location. And of course, it had to be affordable. I said it earlier, because yes, this will be my personal system. Because let's not kid ourselves, if I have a decent budget, I would actually hire a professional for that. But still, I was curious to find out how a tool like this would help me, how it could help me in my personal work. I'm in that phase right now where I'm still exploring, and I want to know everything about the art of filmmaking. Of course, there is a learning curve, and it took me a while to get used to this system, setting it up, finding the right components that fitted my style, and learning how to actually use it. I am not there yet. This system considerably reduces that bounce effect. Sometimes it feels like as if you were on dolly tracks or on a tripod. This opens new possibilities. This enriches my vocabulary. The arm is probably the most impressive part of the system. No plastic there, it feels strong. You have 2 sets of springs depending on the weight of your setup. The vest is well made too. If I had to complain, I wish the buckles were not plastic, but so far they did their job. It feels comfortable and will definitely help me with heavier setups. I own a few lenses and accessories that unfortunately add considerable weight to my camera, so if I need to move my camera and create those gliding smooth shots, this will greatly help me do that. When I know I'm going to film for a long period of time, this accessory makes it in the van and my bags. My arms, my back, thank me for that. And this comes from a guy that has serious back problems. The Steadicam itself is very streamlined, nothing fancy. The bare minimum to make it functional is there. It's super light because of the carbon tubes, and all you need is this simple tool provided in the bag to adjust the length of every part. I have an additional set of weight just in case, and I said it earlier, everything comes in a bag for easy transport. All of this package is available as of today under 1K. And I will stop this video here. I will share more of my experience with this system in future behind the scenes videos. I believe this is necessary for this kind of accessory, this kind of tool. So I guess that I will catch you in the next one. Until then, take care and please have a good one.